हेलो वन वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। तो अभी ऑलीवुड पे IBPS पी लाइट मोड टेस्ट आया हुआ है। तो बेसिकली ये जो नया पैटर्न आया उसी के बेस पे है ये। तो सॉल्व करते हैं, देखते हैं। ट्रीज आर लार्ज and sophisticated organisms and respond who work on them people to be qualified so they know how trees will need to their actions. How trees will respond to their action. Respond यानी बी एंड में आना चाहिए, बी तो इसमें एंड में। Dreams feel significant while they are researchers, but do they have any framework? Relevance. Sleep happening where the anesthetic goal purpose their own scientific or dreams purpose in the brain. Detailing the history of dream research and lessons learned. In the brain, in the brain. Okay. Dreams feel significant while they are happening, but do they have any scientific relevance? यानी कि सी डी इज़ अ पेयर. Relevant. Sleep researchers Yada and Sticker propose their own researchers framework यानी कि B and B से पहले चाहिए. In the screens of 1993, dinosaurs and instant into movie exploded around the world. Adapted from the 1990 Michelle Crichton novel, Jurassic Park made instant stars and known species and summer of several little known species and exploded of several little known species and Jurassic Park made exploded stars screen instant uh, when I forces to the airport when I went to the airport यानी B से start होगा when I went to the airport out of airport to fly out of Kabul यही करेक्ट. Which are following synonym of the word incarnation. Incarnation का navigation implement embodiment होता है शायद. Which of the following word is the antonym of the word pandemonium? Pandemonium वो होता है शायद शो टाइप मचाना ना, तो इसका एंटोनियम पीस होगा. Which of the following word fit in the blank A? Color theory play a pivotal role in UI design, influencing user perception, influencing influencing user perception, behavior, and overall experience. The strategic use of color can enhance usability, shaking hype, emotions, evoke emotions, evokes emotion या evoke. And communication in the brand message effectively. By understanding and applying color theory, designers can create visually appealing and functional interface that resonate with users. Colors have a psychological effect that can significantly impact users' interactions. For instance, blue is often associates you with the trust and making the healthcare application. Red is, on the other hand, can evoke urgency and excitement, making it ideal for calls to actions. By leveraging these psychological association, by leveraging these psychological designers can guide user behavior and create more interface. The use of colors contrast is another critical and revolutionary discipline. Moreover, the color theory aids in creating a visual collage, directing users' attention to essential elements by using different shades and टेंट. तो किसी चीज़ को वर्स करना होता है, टेंट्स हो सकता है, डिफरेंट शेड्स एंड टेंट्स. My garden had become a vertical jungle by the time I had come back from holiday. My garden had become a vertical jungle. My garden had become a vertical jungle By the time I had come, okay, the error is only with part alone in your sentence. Choose options with part with no error as your answer. In the face of all these differences, it's worth remembering that overall perception of science are quite positive. In the face of all these differences, in the face of all these differences, the testimony of all these, in the face of all these differences in emotion. She went to the open door and stood in it and looked out among the tomato vines and gemstones, weeds that constituted the garden, but she could recognize only tomatoes. But she could recognize only tomatoes. But दोनों सब recognize only tomatoes. But she could recognize only tomatoes. She claimed she first met him when she was 17 years old and had been invited to his home along with the other girls where they were pressured to eat to never drink alcohol, where they were pressured to drink alcohol. Jubilant, the beast. He raised his gun and fired at the great beast. A woman has to do the best she can do. Best in nature, best to do. Only those who knew him best can understand. Only one. We should practice due diligence. It lets you send money. Uber has chosen to compete in a particular challenging business sector, which in part explain why neither Uber or the reason that Bitcoin changes everything is that when thinking about overturning well understood or well tested that it makes you send money. Okay, see and eat a pair of Uber. We should practice due diligence by neither Uber nor any major ride-share company in the world make money despite price of Uber. We should practice due diligence. We're choosing the content. Okay, there is something. Okay, it's मतलब C और E पेयर है. C E को किसी और के साथ जाना नहीं तो यहाँ A D D there is a particular change in the business sector which is a part explained when thinking about overcoming the understand what is instead of allowing a date rooted in the protest to be taken by consumerism and consumerism. Facebook is a company whose very business model is built on encouraging proxy BE. A noticeable fall in natural rubber production in the country has raised concern in the tire industry. Instead of taking over the consumer, people could mobilize CB, CFO, and BE. Policies with regard to agriculture, education, and health need to change in order to ensure a meaningful and wide-ranging security for this country. AD, and to be truly independent as a nation and to maintain national dignity, India needs a knowledgeable-based society. According to passage, which of the following mention the benefits of demonetization to government? Demonetization is a process through which nation's economy limit of exchange losses is largely its legally enforceable validity. Currencies that are terminated are no more legally considered exchange and have no financial value. It is a process by which the countries want to reintroduce currencies and legal money. It is a process of eliminating the lawful acceptance status of the monetary unit. It arises when the official currency is changed. Whenever the official currency is changed, this kind of a type of currency means for the circulation of money in currency. The nation totally swap its old coinage with the new. Benefits mechanism. Varieties of the exception government around the world has used to improve the salaries and if problem like a hyperinflation happen in any country, then the government considers intervention as a solution to take back control and minimize the adverse situation. Increase unemployment, increase inflation, decrease income tax, preservation of currencies. According to the passage, which of the following sentence does not describe demonetization? It is a process by which country's currency loses its validity and power. process by which the monetary unit loses its status and acceptance. Countries often reintroduce different currencies later in the process by limiting the local acceptance status and monetary unit. Hmm, ठीक है ये correct है. Does not है ना, not निकाल. It is a general decline in the price of goods associated with the constitution and the supply of money, a method by which the different amount of money, the process by which countries currency loses its validity and power. Hmm. Prices of goods associated with the prices of goods थोड़ी ना. According to Pesavich of the following situation, a country or economy can undertake demonetizations. In case of creeping inflation in a country, inflation goes up when a new monetary system is needed. Some negative situation, okay, considered to take back in the situation. In negative situation or action like the counterfeited currencies and tax fraud can all be eliminated. Tax fraud, elimination of certain prevalent activities. 1 in 3 is correct. Human beings also use to introduce a new monetary policy and system. Second way, third way, first in cases of creeping inflation in the country or an economy. Creeping inflation. Creeping inflation on the time of creeping currency. Creeping inflation. That is a point. Remember the results quickly. Hyperinflation. Hyper or creeping inflation. Sweet. According to Pesavich of the following are the advantages of demonetization: paper-based financial system, tax avoidance is forbidden funding, advantages in community governance, several reducing criminal activities, following the advantages. It forbids the tax avoidance and other financial crimes, contribute to paperless financial system. Some disadvantages, 1 and 2. According to Pesavich of the following criminal activities that are related to finance are mentioned in the passage: counterfeited currencies, hyperinflation of monetary value, evasion of tax payment. वन तो है, criminal activity हो गया ना. Disadvantages is expensive machinery, illegal activities will not stop entirely. ठीक है. Currency regulation, following other advantages. Criminal activities, evasion of tax payment. 1 and 3 हो सकती है. According to Pesavich of the following sentences denotes the effect of demonetization if it is not carried out properly: flushing of illegal money into the financial system, unprecedented currency inflation, liquidity surplus, decreasing unemployment, and economic crisis. Demonetizing new systems, currencies, developed or controlled intentions, another mission, limited money, preparation and using money corruption. This economy activities of the currency and the accepting regulation is limited. Might bring pandemonium or several economic crises. It is used to help strengthen the economy, common convention, through circulation required by new banking economies is less than liquidity and currencies. Economies are resulting in integration, inflation, decline, the monetary supply will decline to same extent as a bank or renewable money pressures. Unprecedented currency inflation. Continuing currency movement into the economy, the result demonetization, inflation declines. Increasing inevitable acute economic crisis हो सकता है. According to Pesavich of the following sentences to निकालना. So far, only one country has implemented demonetization. A monetary unit can be totally terminated through demonetization. Only the currency notes that are banned can be replaced. In the Illegal underground activities are only the currency notes that are banned can be replaced. Illegal underground activities can be committed. In the phase okay, passage may no air income. Okay, arid economic concept. Demonetization is a massive economic activity where in a country's currency's legal acceptance validation is removed. Where in a country's currency's seen hit is a case of creeping inflation, hyperinflation, or I'd say. Okay, okay. In the in the summer of 1993, summer in the summer of 1993, dinosaur and paleontologist instant into the movie screens यानी कि E screens on the movie exploded onto movie screens around the world, adapted from the 1990 Michelle Preston novel Jurassic Park, made instant stars and villains of several literature. Instant stars, अच्छा B and D in the manager. Instant stars and villains. My garden had become a veritable jungle. By the time I had come back from Mumbai, come back from Mumbai, garden had become a veritable jungle. यानी कि A, B, C are depressing but inescapable feature of beauty is that attractive people receive unearned privilege in life. Most of us are fairly comfortable with holding on to the expectations that the work we do somehow contribute to our lifelong search for meaning. Our lifelong search for life. ऐसे ही कुछ नहीं है कुछ jubilant का नहीं बताएंगे. You should practice due diligence. C and E तो correct है. Due diligence when thinking about overturning well-understood or well-tested ideas. Okay. Uber has chosen to compete in a particular challenging business sector, which is a part explains why neither Uber or any other. वैसे करना था. दिखा चलो. Next section. Following the information given data and teacher in ABCD. Okay. आते हैं ABCD private school and government. तो यहाँ पे टोटल टीचर प्राइवेट स्कूल में रखे 470 and the ratio of the private to the government teacher in area C is 4x, 5x and 3x. उसके बाद रिस्पेक्टिव 40% of teacher in a government school A are male and remaining 108 यानी कि 60% होगा. तो 2 4 3 5 3 3 5 72 और 108 180 जो है वो गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में एक है. Number of a teacher in a government school B are 50 less than teacher in the private school in the same area. Number of a teacher in a government and a private school 20 यानी कि 25, 125 और 175. उसके बाद there are total 325 teacher in area 325 यानी कि 5 यहाँ पर क्या रहती है और 135 एक सेकेंड 325 है ना 180 145 100 5 10 और 7 4 11 12 का 1 2 3 320 यानी कि 150 यहाँ पे आएगा तो 5 3 15 19 आ जाएगा। यहाँ पे 5 9 8 9 10 और 19 का 1 और 3 395। What is the difference between the number of a teacher in government school in area C and the teacher in a private school of area B? डिफरेंस निकालना है तो यहाँ पे 85 आएगा। Approximately what percent teacher in area is are in the private school? 145 है यहाँ पे टोटल कितने हैं 325 ना 5 में 10 5 में 45 5 25 2965 और 24 5 24 26 है ना 4 24 260 और 290 यहाँ पे आएगा 330 44 है 45% अप्रॉक्सीमेटली। What is the respective ratio number of a teacher in government school A and C? No, etc. Different two ratio number. In the area C, the ratio of the male and a female teacher in a private school is 7 और 15 यानी कि 70 और 80 and the number of a female teacher in a private school C are approximately what percent? Male female approximately what percent more or less than total number of a teacher in a government school of A? 100 90 into 100 55.5 56%. How many teachers are there in the government school in all given areas taken together? Government school 395. Okay, यहाँ पे 22 प्लस में 36 6 7 8 में तो 48 यहाँ पे 25% और 320 7 4 29 80 माइनस में यहाँ पे 80 माइनस 14 40 13 60 और फिर 48 और माइनस करना है 13 60 48 8 4 10 4 4 7 यहाँ पे 5 6 इस इक्वल में 80 इंटू में 57 डिवाइड बाई 48 कुछ समझ में आया 80 इंटू में 57 डिवाइड बाई 48 ऐसे तीन 3 से घटा रहा 3 एकम 3 3 27 16 5 80 5 45 95 प्लस 105 105 माइनस में 6 ये लगभग 99 है तो 10 के 18% ऑफ 800 18 और 8 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 144 माइनस में 1/4 और 25 4 से 24 4 में 8 6 से 25 6 से 25 में 1 6 8 5 4 8 1 63 4 5 4 4 कहीं नहीं कर देगा चलो क्वेश्चन total number of footwear manufacturer ratio the number of a sold and unsold footwear ratio the number of a gents to ladies footwear. What is the ratio the number of a unsold footwear from A and C footwear? 7 5 12 5 7 55 25 100 9 7 16 5 80 7 5 35 100 अच्छा TNC together total number of unsold wearing together 3 4 4 3 4 24 1600 एंड 5 6 7 यानी 2000 यानी 6 और 36 फ्रॉम फुटवेयर सोल्ड फ्रॉम बी फ्रॉम फुटवेयर सोल्ड फ्रॉम बी सोल्ड यानी कि यार हमारा दो चौकार 2 4 40% आप लेडीज़ फुटवेयर मुझे बात है सबसे रीज़न लेडीज़ वर्ड के नंबर पर जेंट्स फुटवेयर इन बी के 4 मिलियन से, यानी कि जेंट्स का कितना 18 से 90 90 और 00870 उसके बाद होगा फिर से है 6 और 6 9 95 1080 0 2 3 4 3। अच्छा ये तो थे सोल्ड वाले। अच्छा एक सेकंड, कुछ गड़बड़ कर रही हूँ पहली बात। जो 11 है वहाँ से जेंट्स का है 5400। चलो मुझे समझ में आ गया। 42% and 48% unsold footwear in C and D respectively are gents। काफ़ी अजीब सी है। ठीक है। Total quantity of sold due and Sprite percentage of the quantity of due in the total quantity of first sold due for due in the total quantity of sold due and Sprite। अच्छा ये A B C D है। टोटल लिख लेते हैं टोटल 40 लाख 30 लाख and 25 30 40। उसके बाद परसेंटेज यानी कि ये है 10 है ना, 2 4 6 4 10 4 2.5 5 7.5 37.5 यानी कि 3/8 परसेंटेज। 8 में 4 5 3 15 35। इसके बाद 30 3 3 9 और 21। उसके बाद आएगा 25 नंबर 4 25 का 25 6 पॉइंट समथिंग 25 625 6.25 समथिंग हो गया। उसके बाद 3 3 3 21 और 1 सेकेंड बाहर गड़बड़ करेगा जब से मैंने गलत ले लिया ना, यहाँ तो सही था 15 और 35। उसके बाद 60 लेना था मुझे 4 बने। उसके बाद 40 5 2 4 10 और 15। उसके बाद 50 यानी कि 15 और 15। उसके बाद 3 4 12 और 4 28। Find the average of the total quantity of due sold by A and B together at 5 3 और 3 that is and D and E together and same so D and E together 5 6 7 और 2 7 में 3 5 6 4 4 3 4 4 3 15। Second, find the average of the total quantity of due sold by A and B together and the total D and E together। तो यहाँ पे 2 से तो करेंगे 30 आ जाएगा। If the cost of Sprite is ₹55 needed, then find the difference between the amount received by A and received by E selling the Sprite। यहाँ पे है 28 यानी 5 6 7 आप मुझे पहले बता दीजिए 36 385 डिफरेंस ही तो निकालना था स्प्राइट का। 7 38 amount received by A and received by E by selling Sprite। लिखा तो नहीं ठीक है, फिर कर दूँगा। A and B 37.5 तो था 3/8 चालू 15 5/8 अपने 25 25 आ रहे हैं 25 यानी कि 3 5 3 15 5 15 1 16। क्वान्टिटी ऑफ स्प्राइट सोल्ड बाय B इज what percent more or less than that of sold? 3 और 15, 3 पंजे 15, 5 10, 20%. If shop C sold you tennis bike in 60 and 55 respectively, and the ratio of amount received by selling of due to be received by selling of 60 and 10 or 55 and 15, how many years pass the under? ठीक है, अगले 5 एकम 5 5 एकम 5 10 हमारे में 24 में 35 24 से 35. Find the total quantity of produce sold by all the 5 shop together. 5 5 10 18 19 का 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 70. In the interest ओके यहाँ पे था ना, फ्रॉम फुटवियर सोल्ड बाय बी इफ 40% आर लेडीज फुटवियर. अच्छा, पहले सोल्ड और अनसोल्ड कर लेते हैं. 6 6600 और 6 1800. ये सोल्ड है और ये अनसोल्ड है. जो सोल्ड फुटवियर है ना, फ्रॉम फुटवियर सोल्ड बाय बी 40% आर द लेडीज फुटवियर. या इसमें से 40% यानी कि 224 224 26 26 40 36 36 36 37 39 फुटवियर अ लेडीज़ फुटवियर. ये लेडीज़ है तो ये जेंट्स है. देन व्हाट इज द टोटल नंबर ऑफ अ जेंट्स? जेंट्स का कितना था? 5400. 5400 में 3300 7 निकालेंगे तो 0 4 3 4 1 1440. तो 42% 42 अनसोल्ड फुटवियर इन सी एंड डी रिस्पेक्टिवली. सी को कितना 916 16 पंजे 80 7 पंजे 35 और 3 1 4 4 1 4 4 6 24 16 1 1600. 42% इसका निकालना. 42 और इन दस और 3 में 6 7 5 और 20 4 3 12 14 0 4 2470 और यहाँ पे 48% निकालना. 5 48 आठ बार 19 11 12 6 24 4 1 4 5 6 8 5 6 और 7 7 6 8. This will be in jeans are jeans. Then whatever sum of total number of ladies would be sold by D and C taken together. जो अनसोल्ड नहीं, अब उनमें से अनसोल्ड है, लेडीज़ का निकालना पड़ेगा. 5 और 3 5 3 8 है. 8 का यहाँ पे आएगा जेंट्स एंड लेडीज़. जेंट्स एंड लेडीज़ 5000 में से 0 3 और 4 2030 और यहाँ पे 5 3 8 2400. इसमें से कितने में जाएगा 2 और 9 3 और 5 8 832. 9 और यहाँ पे आएगा 6, यहाँ पे आएगा 3 यानी 5 और 1 15 6 8 7 6 13 9 10 15 1 2 3 4 4 5 3 8. The selling price of each footwear in A is रुपये 250 and selling price of each footwear in E is 200. And what is the difference in total? नहीं, अच्छा 7 5 12 पंजे 60 7 पंजे 3500 और यहाँ पे 5 6 7 यानी 5000. इसका है 250 25 25 पंजे 125 25 75 5 6 7 8. तो इसका 220 पानी 10 1000. Total number of gents footwear manufactured in C and D taken together are approximately 3 5 3000 और 5 ने 40 4 3 7000 4 3 7000 taken whatever more less than total number of ladies footwear manufacturing A and D. ladies footwear 4 5 5 में 5 में 10 12 14 4500 और यहाँ पे 9 5 14 6 4 3 7 78 500 7800. 208 और 2 दिया 3 दोनों में 2900 3 10% और 2012. The total number of footwear manufactured from stock मेरा बात टोटल ये 2011 का। If they manufactured from a shop A, मेरा बात टोटल if they manufactured from A, टोटल नंबर का अच्छा मैन्युफैक्चर फ्रॉम ए आर इंक्रीज बाई 10%, यानी कि 6600 हो जाएगा। ठीक है, उसके बाद एंड प्रीवियस ईयर एंड द रेशियो ऑफ द सोल्ड इन्वेंटरी वुड बी इज रेशियो 11 then what is that percentage increase in sale of footwear from A in the previous year? सोल्ड ना 7,12,60 और 7,35 यानी 100 बढ़ा है 3500 से। ठीक है, 35 में 35 सब तीनों चाहिए। ठीक है, 100 तो बढ़ा है, 7 5 12 था, 12 5 60 और 7 5 3500 और इस बार हुआ है 3600, तो 100 बढ़ गया प्रीवियस से। 5 दूनी 10, 5 35, 7 21, 7 दूनी 14। ये क्या सकते ना लोग आना चाहिए। 18% ऑफ 800 2 64 8 10 11 144 माइनस में 1/4 ऑफ 2500 4 6 24 4 दूनी 8 4 624 625 1 12 यानी कि 6 7 8 और 5 और 4 वो भी माइनस करें तो 63 भी इसमें से माइनस होगा, यानी कि अगर वहाँ पर जाकर तो प्लस होगा तो 63 इसमें से माइनस होगा, तो 11 7 1 8 7 1 4 18 प्लस का या 1 सेकेंड माइनस का 418 कौन सा क्वेश्चन चाहिए 9 8 माइनस का 418 122 प्लस में 26 इंटू में 24 डिवाइड बाई 156 लेकिन में 4 से 24 होगा तो 39 और 36 126 प्लस में 207 7 से 13 और 3 3 140 डिवाइड बाई 2 हो सकते जाएंगे में 55 यानी कि 15 प्लस में 11 26 200 136 में प्लस करना है माइनस में प्लस 215 236 26 5 9 0 8 89 3 215 5 और 3 2 125 उसके बाद 511 340 01 67 171 730 9 1 and 1 पता नहीं कितने से जो मार्केट में चलते Any drama is art. Few craft are drama. Few theatre are craft. Some art being some drama being theatre. Some drama being theatre is a possibility. Second, mostly L is D. Mostly L is D. Only D is K. No D is M. Some L is N. Now, all L being L is a possibility. It's not a possibility. No meaning is mango. Some mango are purchased, leaves. No choice is me. Some produce are mangoes. Second is no. 10 people हैं यहाँ पे having different year. अगस्त 13 26 सितंबर 13 26 अक्टूबर 13-26, नवंबर 13-26 एंड दिसंबर 13-26। ठीक है, P4 के एग्ज़ाम पी अक्टूबर से पहले P4 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 P10 has an exam immediately before P6। P10 का जो हाँ P10 का एग्ज़ाम immediately before P6 है और immediately after P1। P3 is an exam immediately before P8 and where the P3 and P8 has an even exam in different one, P2 is the exam immediately before P7 where the P2 is the same one। Three people are between P4 1 2 3 P6। P6 यहाँ पे है तो P10 तो P1 भी आ जाएगा 1 2 3। P6 यहाँ पे है तो P10 और P1 भी आ जाएगा 1 2 3 P6 P10 P1 1 2 3 P6 P10 P1। अब इसके हिसाब से देखें तो P2 P1 P7 एक ही में आएगा तो डिफरेंट मंथ में रखना है, हमें किसी भी मंथ में रख सकते हैं। ठीक है, P9 हुआ एन एग्ज़ाम इन सितंबर मंथ तो यहाँ पे खाली नहीं बचा। P9 का अगर एग्ज़ाम सितंबर में है और तो फिर हमें उस हिसाब से करना पड़ेगा। यहाँ पे रखने तो ये भी नहीं होगा। ठीक है, P9 तो P9 सितंबर में नहीं है तो यहाँ पे दोनों सेम हो जाएगा और यहाँ पे भी दोनों सेम है, इसमें भी नहीं आएगा। इसमें हो सकता है वैसे कि P3 और P8 था ना डिफरेंट मंथ में और ये P5 से था और P2 P7 में हो जाएगा। हाउ मेनी पीपल हैव देयर एग्जाम बिटवीन P6 P5? P6 एंड P5 दो। हाउ मेनी पीपल हैव देयर एग्जाम आफ्टर P3 दो। Whom the following has an exam immediately before P9 P4। Find the order now। P2 is related to P4 यानी दो उत्तर है। P10 is related to P3, P4 is related to P1 and P7 is related to P8। 5 down a different distance, K is 6 meter to the north of N। K is 6 meter to the north of N, which is 5 meter to the east of N, which is 5 kilometer to the east of J। Town M is 5 kilometer to the west of L and 10 kilometer to the southeast of K। Town M is in east of N and K west में है L पे 10 kilometer M पे है। Then what is the distance between town J and L? साउथ ईस्ट डायरेक्शन से 36 और 100 निकालना है। 8 का मीटर 8 मीटर का गैप होना चाहिए तभी जो एल है एल जो एम इज एंड साउथ 8 का गैप आएगा। 8 पास 13। मशीन BNF are more productive than H। BNF are more productive than H। Okay, 3 machine are between A and H and neither A nor H are the least productions। Machine A is less productive than B यानी कि 1 2 3 एंड A 1 2 3 एंड A 1 2 3 4 5 6 7। ये लीस्ट भी नहीं है तो एक और होगा इसके आगे। द टोटल नंबर ऑफ अ मशीन हैव अ डिफरेंट प्रोडक्टिविटी बिटवीन A and C एज टोटल बिटवीन C and F। यहाँ तो बनेगा नहीं। एक तो ऐसे हो सकता है बोल नोट करके। और मशीन E इज मोर प्रोडक्टिव देन G लेस देन D। मशीन E is more productive than G but less than D। यहाँ पे D चाहिए। हाउ मेनी मशीन आर मोर प्रोडक्टिव देन मशीन D? मशीन D से 1 2 4। Which the following machine are more productive than G but less than C? More productive than G but less than C। A and E। Dash productivity is in between machine G and machine A। Machine G and machine A। 7 friends are manufacturing different brand of watches। 7 6 5 4 3 2 1। Bottommost is 7। अच्छा टॉप मोस्ट इज 1 यानी उल्टा लिखना है। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 पर्सन हैं और उनके पास वॉचेस हैं. 4 boxes are kept between the boxes that are manufactured by B and F. Box of manufactured F is kept immediately above box of manufactured C. Okay. F जो है वो C के above है और 1 2 3 boxes B और F में हैं. B and F वो C के just above है. ठीक है. Is sort is manufactured by A and kept in 4. Is sort. Boxes of manufactured D and G are kept below A and E. D and G तो यहाँ पे बनेगा ही नहीं फिर. तो यहाँ पे फिर F C 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 4 यहाँ पे आ गया. 1 2 3 4 के खाना क्या डी एन जी इस तरीके से आ सकता है. एफ सी 2 3 1 सेकेंड. हाँ 1 2 3 4 ये भी यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. अब आ सकता है डी एल जी कैप बिलो ए. टूडोर इज कैप इमीडिएटली अबव टिमेक्स. टिमेक्स के जस्ट अबव टिमोर. That is manufactured by D. यहाँ नहीं होगा, यहाँ हो जाएगा. ठीक है. 1 box is kept above but below Seiko, which is not manufactured by E. Okay, 1 box is kept between but below. 1 box is kept above Casio but below इसकी. मतलब इन दोनों में एक आना चाहिए. वो सी नहीं करेगा उसको मैन्युफैक्चर. फिर ये तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगी ना. हाँ वैसे ऐसे भी तो हो सकता है, ज़रूरी थोड़ी है. टिमेक्स दे रखा है, टिमेक्स के ऊपर टिमोर है. जी यहाँ पे आ जाएगा और फिर सिको और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. ई यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. ऐसे बन सकता है ये. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मैन्युफैक्चर्ड बाय सी. सी के मैन्युफैक्चर करेगा आई डब्ल्यू सी. इसके बिलो आई डब्ल्यू सी भी नहीं मैन्युफैक्चर करेगा. रोलेक्स करेगा. रोलेक्स. डैश इज मैन्युफैक्चर्ड बाय एफ. For like in a certain way, this form of group does not belong to group. This sort G, this sort G, this sort G, okay, just about C and Sico and BD, Tudor, Casio. Tudor कहाँ पे है? Tudor तो था ही नहीं ना. तो रोलेक्स कहाँ पे आएगा? टूडोर यहाँ है. तो टिमोर लिख दिया मैंने. ये टूडोर है और ये रोलेक्स है. टूडोर कैसे तो नहीं है. ठीक है. हाउ मेनी वॉचेज आर कैप्ट अबाउट द ब्रांड दैट इज मैन्युफैक्चर्ड बाय डी. 1 2 3 4 5 6. From the following in a certain code language, protect your health is this, and call it as and do it now is do your work is this, and now project work is this. And what is the project code of code for health now? Protect. 2A गया, 4A 6A, 4A भी गया. Your 6A health now. अब प्रोटेक्ट का यहाँ पे 2A था. वर्क का यहाँ से 5 है. 2A 5 है. 3 है. 6 से 3 है. उसके बाद है ABCD और सिटेड ऑन ट्राइंगल टेबल. Sitting in a triangle table facing the center. There are 1 person each of the corner and 1 on the sides. G is at third to the right of H. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. D was second to the left of H. and he was seated along one of the sides. You are correct. E was third to the left of I. एक दो तीन. He was third to the left of I. I was neighboring D. एक दो तीन. He was third to the left of I. F was fourth to the right of B. अच्छा 9% थे. अरे यार वही मैं सोचा बनने है. एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ. एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ. अब लिखना है यहाँ पे H एक दो तीन. जी H के सेकेंड लेफ्ट में D है. एक दो तीन दो. E was third to the left of I. E was third to the दो तीन है ना. एक दो तीन दो तीन. F was four to the right of B. B was at the corner. दो तीन चार. एक दो तीन चार. A was neighboring F. ठीक है मैंने करेक्ट किया. Following a similar way part of the F C D I G. How many persons are seated between H and E when counted from the left of H? एक दो तीन. What was the position of B with respect to D? B with respect to D. Immediate left. How many persons were seated between A and H when counted from the right of H? 1. A 3-generation family has 8 members. Yes. 3-generation family has 8 members. Why so that for every person of the family, either both or none of the parents. A is married to X, who is the father of 2 children. K is the son of PP, who is the only brother of P. K is the son of P, who is the only P, who is the only brother of B. Q is the daughter of M. Q is the daughter of M, who is the only son-in-law of M. यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा. इधर बोथ और नन ऑफ द पेरेंट्स है वाला, तो P का भी तो Q आएगा. तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 लोग हैं, तो बचा क्या है? K. इसकी जोड़ करके होगी फिर K नहीं, X भी हो चुका है, K भी हो सकता है, P Y होगा. ठीक है. How B related to Q? How B related to Q? मदर. ठीक है. How Y related to A? Y related to A. Y is daughter-in-law. How many members are female in the family? 1 2 3 4. They are given 4 plus 1 sport the odd number. Sport the odd number. M N O P Q R S U V W U S T U P Q R S I J K L M P G H I J U V W P Q R S. Y से O जाना है ना. Y से T से I, I से O जाएगा. F से I, F से T और T से I, ये भी हो जाएगा बोथ. O से X के लिए जाना मिलेगा. O से I यानी कि I से T, O से T और T से X हो जाएगा. U से R, U से I से T, T से R. Migration, such a we call the word in the immediately migration. ठीक है. of the Latin word migration arranged in such a way that all the vowels are immediately preceded as well as immediately followed by the consonant from the left to right, with the vowel in such a way that all the vowels will be immediately followed by the consonant from the left to right, as well as the consonant are in the alphabetical order in which क्या लिखना है यहाँ पे arranged in such a way that all the vowels are immediately preceded as well as the consonant from left to right. Will go from the left. तो यार हम 4 सेकंड कहाँ क्वेश्चन बचे हैं 4% ABCD वैसे भी आपको नहीं करेगा क्वेश्चन 4% ABCD in a garden in a different time slot. In a different time slot. Every time slot was 1 hour. The first time slot start from 10 a.m. and there was no gap consecutive time slot. 4% है 10 to 11 a.m. 1 hour 10 11 11 से 12 12 से 1 1 से 2 2 से 3 1 2 3 4 5 है 4% है. Okay. Only 1% visit between A who visited immediately before B. At least 1% visited in the garden before A. B. At least ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है. तो 1 से आ रहा है. D visited after garden after A. Only 2% visited between B and C. B C B C. Who is the person visiting the garden? Who is the last person? तो second से नहीं आएगा 4th से आ सकता है. ABCD work in a bank. Their designation is in decreasing order. CGM to ATT. Who is the rank indicated below AGM? Decreasing order. The CGM, DGM, AGM, MG, AM, and AT. 3% are ranked between A and B. Only 2% are ranked between A and D. B is the AM. 2-3 है ना और 2 टोटल बिटवीन ए एंड डी. यहाँ पे पूछा था वो इज रैंक इमीडिएटली बिलो AGM इमीडिएटली बिलो AGM तो डी यहाँ पे हो जाएगा आंसर. ए इज एन टॉप रैंक पर्सन एंड इज इमीडिएटली सीनियर टू F. who is turned immediately senior to C. Only 1% is ranked between D and C. AGM के जस्ट नीचे होने में पता चलेगा पहले. 6% are sitting in a linear row where some are facing north and some are facing south. No 2% are generally each facing the same direction. No 2%. Okay. Only 1% sitting between P3 and 3 and 4. 4 who is facing to the immediate right of P2. Who is sitting immediate right of P2. P5 sitting to the right of P6. P2 is sitting in extreme and to the left of P6. तो यहाँ पे मेरे टोटल दिखाती हूँ तो यहाँ पे इंग्लिश में 21 करेक्ट हुए, 5 रॉन्ग हो गए. एंड मैथ्स का मतलब शायद से जो उसमें अप्रॉक्सीमेशन था वो 0.5 मार्क्स का होगा. एंड रीजनिंग में 28 ही हो पाए. एक ही लास्ट वाला क्वेश्चन मतलब पजल तो वो मेरे को करनी ही नहीं थी, टाइम कम था इसलिए. रीजनिंग मुझे नहीं पता इन्होंने कैसे मार्क्स दिए हैं क्योंकि 27 करेक्ट और इन्होंने मार्क्स दिए 30.57. तो बाकी मेरे टोटल मार्क्स हुए 67.25 और 68 क्वेश्चन करेक्ट हुए हैं. बाकी आपका क्या स्कोर है वो ज़रूर शेयर करना. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय.